So in this video, you'll learn how to install CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So all you need to do is simply open the Google Play Store. Then you want to use the search function and you want to type in CapCut and then search. You should see it listed here in the search results. So just select it and then tap on install and wait for the app to be installed onto your phone. Once it's been installed, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can choose to just go to the home screen or apps drawer, look for the app icon from there, then simply select CapCut and then agree with the terms of service and privacy policy and start using CapCut on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.